Listening practice. Factual report. In this part of the questions you will hear short talks. Listen carefully, then answer the questions, with choose the right answer. Number 1 to 5, following this factual report text. Whales are sea-living mammals. They therefore breathe air but cannot survive on land. Some species are very large indeed, and the blue whale, which can exceed 30-meter length, is the largest animal which lives on Earth. Superficially, the whale looks rather like a fish, but there are important differences in its external structure. Its tail consists of a pair of broad, flat horizontal paddles. The tail of a fish is vertical, and it has a single nostril on top of its breadth, broad head. The skin is smooth and shiny, and beneath it lies a layer of flat blubber. This is up to 30 meters in thickness and serves to conserve heat and body fluids. Number 1. What is the text about? A. Sea-living mammals. B. The description of mammals. C. The difference between whales and fish. D. Whales. E. How whales survive themselves. Number 2. The length of a whale is. A. Is generally more than 30 meter. B. Maybe more than 30 meter. C. Is less than 30 meter. D. Ranges from 30 meter to more than 30 meter. E. Is 30 meter at the most. Number 3. Sentence 1. A. Tells an orientation. B. Poses a thesis. C. Shows an abstract. D. Gives a general classification. E. Elaborates an explanation. Number 4. What type of text is used by the writer? A. Narrative. B. Report. C. Recount. D. News items. E. Exposition. Number 5. To tell the factual information, the writer uses A. Passive voice. B. Direct speech. C. Reported speech. D. Simple past tense. E. Simple present tense. Number 6 to 10, following this text. For many years people believed that the cleverest animals after man were the chimpanzees. Now, however, there is a proof that dolphins may be even cleverer than these big apes. Although a dolphin lives in the sea, it is not a fish. It is a mammal. It is in many ways, therefore, like a human being. Dolphins have a simple language. They are able to talk to one another. It may be possible for man to learn how to talk to dolphins. But this will not be easy because dolphins cannot hear the kind of sounds man can make. If man wants to talk to dolphins, therefore, he will have to make a third language which both he and the dolphins can understand. Dolphins are also very friendly toward man. They often follow ships. There are many stories about dolphins guiding ships through difficult and dangerous waters. Number 6. The text is in the form of A. Spoof. B. Report. C. Recount. D. Procedure. E. Narration. Number 7. To tell the factual information, the writer mostly uses A. Passive voice. B. Simple past tense. C. Present perfect tense. D. Simple present tense. E. Present continuous tense. Number 8. What kind of animal is dolphin? A. Insect. B. Fish. C. Mammal. D. Bird. E. Shark. Number 9. Why talking to dolphin is not easy? A. Dolphins cannot hear the kind of man's sounds. B. Dolphins cannot think as human. C. Dolphins like playing with man. D. Dolphins feel annoyed by man. E. Dolphins want to be free. Number 10. What is the characteristic of dolphin according to the text? A. Fierce. B. Friendly. C. Naughty. D. Shy. E. Not responsible.